Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to report someone in Google Meet. Okay, so when you're in a call and when you want to report something, you need to click those three dots and now select report abuse. Now in here select the abuse type, spam or unwanted content, fraud, phishing and other deceptive practices, malware, harassment and hateful content, unwanted sexual content, violence and gore, child endangerment or other. And now type the full name of abusers. And then describe your issue simply. We can also include a brief, less than 60 seconds video clip recorded now. It will be like an evidence, we can call it in that way. And now simply select on report. Now we can see that the abuse report submitted. In case of emergency, case the local emergency. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.